Hello all, welcome to TECHNO. In the section of working with Python, our today's question is to compute the GCD, that is the greatest common divisor of two positive integers. So let's get started. For that, first we'll make a function def GCD that will accept two values. The values will be stored in the variable x and y. First we take GCD variable equals to 1. We assign it a value of 1, then take a condition if x modulo y equals to 0, then return y. Otherwise, we take a condition for a variable k in range. We take the range in the form of integer. See, now we are taking range of y divided by 2. Now that can be an integer value also, that can be a floating point value also. So to convert it into integer, we took this integer, that is int y by 2. Then we take 0 and minus 1. From this range, this minus 1 is a step count, reverse order, that is minus, it's equivalent to minus. Then we take condition x modulo k, x modulo k equals to 0 and y modulo k equals to 0. Then it should store the value of GCD equals to k and then break the loop. And we should return GCD. Now what we have to do, we have to give static value. So I'll just write print of GCD. We take 12 and 17. Print GCD, simple number, let's take 4 and 6. So basically what we did over here is we created a function called GCD, creating with two variables x and y. First assigned the value of a variable GCD equals to 1. Then we took a condition if x modulo y, that is this two values, x modulo y equals to 0, then it will return the value of y. Then it goes into a loop for k in range. We took a variable k that will be in the range of integer value of y by 2 to 0, and it will decrement the value by 1. Then if x modulo k equals to 0, 0, and that is both should be correct, and y modulo k is also equals to 0, then it should store the value of k inside the variable GCD, and the loop will break over here. It should return the value of GCD. And then we simply took two print statements asking for the GCD of 12 and 17 and 4 and 6. We are done with the coding part. Let's execute the following code by clicking run over here. You can see in the console window down over here, we get the answer 1 and 2. 1 is the GCD of 12 and 2 is the GCD of 6. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more such content from TECHNO. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.